Hi, this is Chris from Tyre Parts Pro, and today we have a 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk, stock reference number 7447. The shape runs from the 2nd month 2014 through to the 11th month 2022. It has a 3.2 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 3.2 litre V6 petrol engine with the right hand daytime running light, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left hand DRL. Left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet has no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has no damage, left rear door has no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, right hand tailgate garnish, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door and right front door no damage. Right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen sat nav screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel.